Yum, 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 yum.
Mom!
I love to start with dessert. Yum, yum, yum.
Dad! It's almost ready. This special food will turn the PJ Masks into PJ Monsters.
Romeo, come upstairs. It is time for me to give you your haircut.
Oh, Mom, do you have to do it right now?
Romeo, get in this house right now.
Oh, man, I really don't like my mom's haircuts.
What was that, Romeo?
Oh, nothing, Mom. Coming. Oh, man. I sure am glad that's over with. Now to deliver this food to the PJ Masks. Meanwhile...
Oh, honey, this was such a great idea. I love picnics in the park. Well, it's no secret that family time is my favorite time. And Dash and Violet, you did such a great job preparing all of this healthy food for us.
Thanks, Mom. Man, I gotta go. I gotta catch the PJ Masks. Romeo!
Hey, sweetheart, would you like to join us for a picnic?
I can't. I'm on my way somewhere. Sorry.
Well, you know you're always welcome.
Oh, man. They're so nice. I sort of wish I could stay. But I have a plan. Maybe next time, guys. I gotta go.
Oh, no, honey. Watch out. Oh, no, sweetie. Are you okay?
Yeah. I'm fine. I just tripped over that rock.
Jack, be nice.
Oh no! Don't worry, Romeo. Dash and I'll help you clean it all up. Oh yeah, you bet we will. Super fast too. Thank you, but it's just I don't know if this is the right. All right. Thanks, Dash. I gotta go.
Wow, he sure was in a hurry. Okay, kids, are you ready to eat some lunch? Oh no, what a mess. Dash, would you mind?
You got it, Mom.
Okay, everyone, time to eat. Oh, I love a good smoked salmon. Yum, 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 yum.
Mom!
I love to start with dessert. Yum, yum, yum.
Dad! Oh no! Jack too? Dash, don't! What? Everybody turned into a monster? Cool. Oh no! Everybody's a monster! Well, there's no way I'm eating this! How are we gonna change you guys back? Okay, Gregoria, are you ready? You bet I am. All right, let's do this.
I'm back.
My turn. Hey, Violet, what are you doing here? Vampirina, I need your help. I need you to borrow your changer. Well, of course you can, but why? No, guys, don't worry. It's my family. Somehow they turned into monsters. Oh, that was scary. Okay, let's see if we can change them back. Okay, Mr. Incredible, you first. That's my mom, Vampirina. Oh, sorry. Mrs. Elastigirl, would you mind getting in the machine? I sure hope this works. Okay, here we go. Oh no, it's not working. Don't worry, Violet. Let me just try one more time. Oh no, Vampirina, it's still not working. What am I gonna do? Wait a minute! Scooby-Doo! He has a magic changer too! Oh, he does? Alright, let's go!
Nice and clean. Ready for more friends to come over and play? Oh, that was fast.
Scooby, I need your help. My family are all turned into monsters.
Oh, okay. That's not a problem. You can step into my magic changer. Mrs. Elastigirl, you can go first.
Scooby, that's my dad.
Oh, I'm sorry. Mr. Incredible, jump right in.
I really hope this works.
Let's add a little lightning.
Oh no, Scooby. I had a feeling it wouldn't work. What am I gonna do?
Oh no! Wait a minute. What about the PJ Masks?
That's a great idea, Scooby. Violet, the PJ Masks have transforming towers. Let's go. Gotcha, Romeo. Romeo? Violet? My family were turned into monsters. Well, Romeo just confessed that he put a potion on all this food to change us into monsters. Oh, wait a minute. The food at the picnic. It must have gotten mixed up. Fine, you guys caught me. I thought it'd be fun just to turn you guys into monsters for a little while. Romeo, we'll take care of you in a second. Violet, let's change your family back first. I sure hope this works. Dad, Mom, Jack, and Dash, I'm so glad you guys are back.
Oh, honey, I'm glad to be back. That was spooky. Wasn't it, Jack?
Well, I sure am glad my family's back to normal. People at home, we really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!
Connor, thanks so much for having us for dinner. What should we do now?
Do you guys think that the Powerpuff Girls want to come over and play in the hideout? Greg, that's an awesome idea.
I'll give them a call.
Oh, hey Blossom, this is Connor. Do you guys want to come over and play in the hideout for a little while?
All right, awesome. See you soon.
They're on their way.
Awesome!
Oh, that's probably just Blossom. Hello? Oh, what? Really? Okay, bye.
Who was that, Connor?
It's an emergency. That was our contact, and Romeo's at it again. Let's go get him. To the Transforming Tower.
But wait, Connor, shouldn't we let the Powerpuff Girls know?
That's a great idea, Amaya, but this will only take a few minutes. We know exactly where Romeo is.
Okay, sounds great. Let's go get Romeo.
Amaya, Connor, Greg,
Owlette,
Catboy, and Gecko. We're PJ Masks. Into the night to save the day.
Okay, guys, let's hurry so we can be back before the Powerpuff Girls come. Finally here. Buttercup, why did you bring a taco? We already ate dinner.
Dude, I am always hungry.
Okay. I'm just glad we're here together. I can't wait to hang out. Amaya, Connor, Greg, we're here.
Where are they?
Great question, Bubbles. Let's ask Buttercup. Buttercup? Buttercup, where are you?
Up here, dudes.
Oh, Buttercup, get down from there right now.
No way, dude. I've been wanting to see how this thing works. Bubbles, get in.
Bubbles, you better not get in there. We should not play with their transforming tower.
Buttercup, I'm ready. Press that button. You got it, dude.
I give up.
I'm teeny. I'm back. I'm a kitty cat. Meow. I'm a baby. I'm back.
Okay, Bubbles, that is enough. Get out of there.
I'm dizzy. My turn, dudes. Let's change this taco.
Buttercup, no!
A hamburger. This is awesome.
was awesome. Watch out, guys! I think it's gonna blow! Buttercup, what have you done?
Dude, I don't know, but fix it and fix it fast.
I'll try. This is weird. I don't get it. This piece doesn't fit. Oh, wait a minute.
They're coming, Blossom! Hurry! I did it. Did what?
Oh, don't worry about it. Welcome back, guys.
Guys, we are so sorry it took so long. Romeo almost got away.
Not a problem. We're just glad you're here.
Oh, okay. Well, just give us a second to change and we can go hang out. I hope this works. Owlette, Catboy, and Gecko. We're tiny!
Uh-oh.
It's Mickey Mouse!
You guys might want to try that again.
What? Dude, you're gonna want to try that one more time. Guys, that was super weird.
Connor, I'm sorry. We have to be honest. We were playing with the transforming tower and it blew up.
Listen, don't worry about it. Amaya, Greg, and I, we'll fix it tomorrow. Let's go play.
You guys are awesome friends.
Hey there, everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there you can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye!